How does acupuncture help for degenerative eye conditions? It's a great question. So what happens is when our cells get stressed out or there's some degenerative process occurring, our cells go through a couple of things. They freak out, number one, and they start making all this inflammatory waste product. Sometimes we call that drusen. It also can cause inflammation in the areas that are freaking out. So in your case, it's gonna be your eyes. And then they also go through this other process called the cell danger response. And that's basically where these cells become dormant. They start to shut down and protect themselves. And it sounds like a great idea to protect ourselves, but what happens is when it's occurring in our eyes, we start to lose our vision. So degenerative eye conditions like macular degeneration, retinitis pigmentosa, glaucoma, basically anything affecting our retina or optic nerve are gonna really be affected, and we're gonna notice it because it's our eyes. So that's kind of the process that happens. What acupuncture does is it helps wake up those dormant cells. It helps your body go through this cell danger response and get back to healing and regenerating. The good news is we find responses happen really quick when we use acupuncture for degenerative eye conditions because these cells turn over or heal and regenerate in about 2 days. So we notice changes pretty quickly when we actually get your body to do what it was designed to do, and that's to heal itself. So acupuncture does that. It helps to get your body to move through this cell danger response and start healing itself again. It also increases blood flow or normalizes blood flow in some cases if you have like wet macular degeneration. And by normalizing blood flow or improving blood flow, we get an increase of oxygen and nutrients to tissues that need them. Those tissues need oxygen and nutrients to heal themselves, so we can help heal the cells that have become damaged or dormant. We can also reduce inflammation, and we can also stimulate the visual centers both in our brain and our optic nerve by using acupuncture. It's been really well studied. So we'll see some pretty cool results. We'll see changes on an eye chart, like 1 to 2 lines. So that's something like 20% change we'll see in just a few days of treatment. And we can also see our visual fields, or like our peripheral vision or central vision, improve anywhere from like 20 to 40% and about 70% of patients. So some pretty significant improvements for degenerative eye conditions can happen when we use acupuncture and the right type of acupuncture.